In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the Evidian Password Vault to store your application passwords. I will show you how to add an application to your password vault and how to copy and paste your login password to your application. First of all, go to the application login screen you wish to add to your password vault. Open your Password Vault application and click on the Add Application icon in the menu bar. Drag and drop the target icon to the target application window to identify the application. After you have named your application, click on Continue and register your login and password to the application. Your credentials have now been saved in the vault. You can now use the copy and paste feature from the Password Vault to enter your credentials to an application. To know more on how to copy paste your login password to an application, I recommend watching the tutorial on how to use your application's credentials from your vault.